I'd like to show you how to use your folder, show you some of the required things and also some suggestions. The first thing I just wanted to show you is you all have a assessment kit template document in here. And if you did not do any editing on that document, you can just go ahead and delete it. The other thing we see here as documents is the copy of the rating guide, template, reliability study summary template, and the teacher guide template. So those are all links to those documents. When you get to those documents, you can make a copy of them to use for your own purposes. All right, when I look at these folders here, I see that they have all had their name changed to the Fox and the Hare, which is the name of the assessment except for this one. So I want to change the name of this one. I'm just going to right click on it, click rename, and I'm going to change it to the Fox and the Hare. You should change each of these folder names to have the name of your assessment. All right, so in the current version, this is where you want to have the current version of your files. So in this case, we have got the teacher guide, which is required, the rating guide, which is required, and the assessment activity, which is required. So these are all version ones. Eric also has some other documents here, which you can leave in this folder, or you could put them in the resources folder. That's your choice. The next folder we have here is PDFs for publication. So these are PDF copies of your most current versions of your three documents, the rating guide, the teacher guide, and the actual assessment activity. And these are for publication on ngssrubrics.org. So to make those, you can just click on one of your current version documents. And you just go File and click Download as a PDF. And that'll put that document on your computer. And then you'll have to go to the folder, the PDF folder, right here. And you'll have to click New, File Upload, and then find that PDF folder that you, or that PDF file that you made. So that's the current version and the PDFs for publication. The next thing to take a look at is sample student work. So this folder is important because this contains the sample student work of students, or it could have been colleagues at work or in the institute that took your assessment. So here we have 5 samples of student work. And if we click on one of these, it's a PDF of actual student work. And in this case, the student's name is in the title, sample 1. You could also put the student's name on top of the document itself. So I find the easy way to get these is if you use the notes feature on iPhone. You can use the camera mode and have the camera take create a PDF image. That's a nice way to do it. Another way to do it is scan them, and another way to do it is there's an app for iPhone and other things called Genius Scan that I like a lot. It takes really nice scans. So you'll save those and then again click New and upload the PDFs into this folder. The resources folder in this particular case is empty, but in here you might have different notes that you've had, or you might have, like, you're unpacking the performance expectation into practical learning goals document, or you might have a PDF of the actual performance expectation or evidence statement. And that brings us to the archive folder. So after you achieve milestone 2 and you're on your way to milestone 3, you'll take your current version, put it in the archive, and you can make copies to edit from or start from scratch, whatever seems the most efficient to you, and create a new version of your rating guide, your teacher guide, and your assessment activity to go in the new current version folder. There's one other thing that I'm recommending that you do, and that is that you open up Google Classroom. If you go to classwork, click on milestones, and that'll bring you to this page. And I think it'd be smart to make a shortcut of the milestone document to put in your folder. So if we click add shortcut to Drive, and then we can tell it where to go. In your case, you're going to go to shared with me on that folder, and then you just click add the shortcut to your Drive, and then it'll be there. This is nice because then you have a quick way of getting to these milestones without having to go to Google Classroom. And these milestones are going to be really nice for you to look at when you're getting ready to have your work rated in a reliability study. Similarly, you could create a shortcut to the sign-up sheet and put it in your folder so that you have it there. So that's about it. I think that's all the things I wanted to show you on how to use this folder, take advantage of it. Please ask any questions via email or comments on the letter this is sent to you in.